Ni mambura megwikinyitio ni atongoria hamwe na muingi kuririkana muthi uyu uria Kenya metiagira kugia na wiyathi. No na thengia wa makinya manene maria bururi wa Kenya utashukitie, umwe wa maundu maria makoretwo magicokia bururi na thutha ni ungumania. President Uhuru Kenyatta akiuria muingi ukorwo uri muharini wa mbere kumuteithiriria kurua na ungumania.
Report incidents of corruption to your local Directorate of Criminal Investigations. And if they do not listen, report to your nearest Ethics and Anti-Corruption Office. And if they don't listen, give the information to the media, to civil society, actors, to unmask these people.
Na aria maroneka ta marekururia kana kuregeria bara ino, akiuga ni ruhonge rwa magoti.
Kenyan spirits are dampened when we witness suspects released on ridiculously low bail terms, interference in legislative processes, and the use of the court process to delay justice. All arms of government must work together to ensure that our nation gets rid of this menace once and for all.
President ni ataririe hari ogituge hari iria inya eranire kurumia ikinyete kuma gutigirira o Mukenya ni agia na urigitani wa gikiro kia iguru. Honi ya bururi kuria President orotete mbeu njithi ni undu wa kuoneka ta manyururetie urimi.
You have acquired knowledge and have access to much useful information that can help transform the farms of your parents. And in this regard, I do urge our youth to seek support from various commercial banks, such as the Kenya Commercial Bank Foundation program, to jiajiri.
Uhuru augete thirikari ni iguthinga mianya iria ikoretwo kuo na iria itumite arimi aingi mate mwihoko na biashara ino niguo bururi ugie na irio cia kuigana.
We will reform our approach to input subsidies by introducing greater transparency in their funding and ensuring that subsidies benefit the farmers and not unscrupulous middlemen and brokers.
Shigi ukuria wa iganda, President augete uyu ni mweke mwega wa guthondeka mawira kuri makiri ma Kenya aria marathie na mbere na kuhinyiririka ni undu wa wagi wa mawira.
We are currently working with the banking sector on redesigning the Micro and Small Enterprises Authority Fund so that we can unlock much needed affordable credit for our small businesses.
Wona iganda ciongerereka gituge giki kiratanyo kuhura njeki waki wa nyumba ikireka-ini ria mbere thirikari igitanya gwaka nyumba 500,000.
The benefits of this program will extend beyond the homeowners and will benefit thousands of households by creating jobs for workers in the construction industry and associated sectors.
Wakini uyu President ni orete ataramu matigirire mahuthira indo iria ithondeketwo ni ya Kenya niguo kumateithiriria gwikuria.
The government will further encourage construction companies to use locally produced building materials and inputs such as doors, windows, hinges, sand and cement must and should be secured domestically.
Edia na ahuthiria dawa cia kurevia ni mamurikitwo thirikari ikiuga ndikwirorera rucio rwa bururi rukiura kugerera aria marenda gwitongia na njira ino.
We shall not allow Kenya to be a base of operation for drug lords, and our resolve on this matter should not be tested.
Mabura maya matafanirio rungu rwa ugitiri munene kiharo-ini kia Nyayo guku Nairobi. Ni igongona ri kuihuritwo ni ugemu wa mwanya, President Uhuru Kenyatta agiteterithie wiruteri wake wa gutigirira ni akinyukithia Kenya ikinya riu ringi na gutigirira ati iroto cia aria maruire wiyathi wa bururi wa Kenya ni ciakinyanira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jehia.